Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline again. Today we are taking apart our Tesla Model 3 mirror here and trying to get underneath here to pop this guy loose from the back and then pop that guy off there. You can see it's got the big old wings on the front here, so we need to pop it loose from the back. And we are going to pull this guy loose here. Just gonna pinch those little arrowheads together. And then this is your Euro bracket. Twist on like so. And we're just gonna unplug this guy there. Bring him over here. Some residue on the glass there. Just clean that off on the camera real quick. Make sure we get all the fingerprints and stuff out of the way there. Right, and this guy, just get underneath here and lift. And that pops loose like so. If you got any of these guys stuck in here, just simply pop them out. There's new ones that come on the new bracket. So, and then we're going to utilize our little kit here to pull all of these guys. Oh, missed it by one. Tell it's been a minute since I've done one of these. And again, this is the Mako from IFixit. Good little company to get tools from. Like I said, they specialize in electronics repair, or they sell these kits, several different sizes, and but they also have directions on how to take apart phones, Xboxes, all kinds of electronic devices. But I like their tools because everything's right here. Makes it really easy for me to take all this stuff apart with these Teslas. So, like I was saying earlier, it's got the end there that you can spin. That. Going to unplug our rain sensor and lift the camera and that out like so. And then we got our super small Phillips head over here. I'm gonna lose that guy. Two super small Phillips here. Forgot there's a second one on this one. These Tesla Model Ys, they've only got a single one on there. So, let's see here. Pardon my camera angle here. To save that rain sensor there. And then we're going to take our tools and all of our gadgetry over here. so. Reset all of this. That guy there. That guy there. Grab our shroud. This. And start putting our screws back. So definitely not too difficult. Learning how to take everything apart is the big one on these guys here. And the little shortcuts that you come across. Sorry, I'm not talking much on these. This one's just more of a visual than anything else. After taking it all apart, putting it back together is pretty easy. Just make sure all your screws are tight. Get your wire back under there. Put our shroud back on. Like so. And then snap this guy back down. Make sure your plug is out here. And then put your mirror back on. Okay, it's a little tight. We're going to lube that up and tape that, put that back on there. At any rate, if you're having it recaled, make sure you leave this little shroud off of here so they can adjust the mirror right here if they need to. Aside from that, that is it for the Tesla. Now it's just a matter of taping all this down and setting the new piece of glass.